Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us analyze how to write resonating structures of phenol. To write resonating structures, there are certain rules are there. We need to follow that rules. You should not change that position of atoms, but you can change only that position of electrons. At the same time, you should see the total number of electrons, whether it is paired or unpaired electrons, should be equal in number. This electron movement can take place from electron rich part to electron poor part. For example, if you see that phenol, this oxygen has two lone pair electrons, which makes this part into electron rich part. So the movement of electron can take place from this oxygen only. So this lone pair move here. When this lone pair move here, you can say that one double bond. So this double bond break. So this double bond break, and then this will make a charge on this carbon. So let us draw that another phenol molecule. First, write the position of OH, because atoms, there is no change in the position of atom. So now you can see that here instead of single bond, now double bond will create. Then what happened here? The single bond break, minus charge is created. Now remaining all the things are same. So we can write, so there is a single bond between here only, now one lone pair only. So what happens to oxygen? So due to that, now this oxygen carries positive charge. Remaining all other bonds are same. So here one bond and then here one bond. So these resonating structures are shown by double-headed arrow. So this one is the first resonating structure, and this is the second resonating structure. Third resonating structure, possible resonating structures. First let us draw oxygen and hydrogen, because there is no change in that position of atoms. Now what happens here? See here you can see that the electron rich part is this carbon, because it carries minus charge. So this will create a bond. So here now bond will create. So when the bond creates here, what happens? This double bond, this will break and this will result in minus charge. So let us draw here one bond. So this bond break and then this will carry minus charge. Remaining all the things are same only. So between OH one single bond, then only one lone pair, then positive charge, then here double bond, then there is no change in this double bond. So this is the resonating structures, third resonating structures of phenol. So now this will move here. Now this will move here and it will create the double bond. So when it creates double bond here, this double bond breaks and this will form minus charge, negative charge here. So electron density increases now this carbon. So let us draw. First let us in atom. So now this will create that this negative charge is creating one double bond here. So now this double bond is making negative charge here. Remaining all other things are same only. So here double bond, then here one lone pair, positive charge on carbon, and then here one double bond. So this is fourth resonating structure of phenol. Now any other possibility? Yes. Now what happens to this? This negative charge now will create double bond. So this negative charge will create double bond. So when it create double bond, what happens to this double bond? This will break. Let me draw that. First let us draw. Now what happens to here? This one makes double bond here. So now this one will become single bond. So this double bond breaks and then one lone pair. Now add upon oxygen. Already we have that one more lone pair. Then here, sorry, here I didn't draw. So here one single bond. Do you think that any positive charge now that oxygen will carry? No, isn't it? So remaining all the things you can write. So here double bond and here double bond. So this is the fifth resonating structures of phenol. So if you see the first resonating structure and the fifth resonating structures, you can see almost same only. Only the position of bond is different, but total number of electrons are same only. So total 5 resonating structures are possible for phenol. Thanks for watching.